Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Some weeks back, I made a video where I was speculating on, is it possible that there's going to be some kind of special document for foreigners to buy a vehicle in Thailand? I got kind of burned on it by a bunch of different people. I actually responded in some cases. For those who are unaware, I do not sit around looking at the comments on Integrity Legal. In fact, we have on our channel here, I have folks that do that. If you do see a comment with BWH under it, that's me, that's my initials. That's me actually responding. In some cases, you'll just see a response, and that'll be somebody working here in the office that's just sort of responding to sort of a general question or something, usually telling people to contact us by email. But so I made this video where someone had contacted me and said, hey, look, they want this special document. It turns out, it looks to me like there's some kind of miscommunication regarding what documents were required. Ultimately, nothing was particularly out of the ordinary, it's my understanding, associated with that whole thing. So the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, as always, I'm happy to stand corrected. I didn't really make the assertion that this was a requirement. I simply brought up the question, is this happening? For those who burn me because, oh, well, what are you doing? You're an attorney. Yes, that's how you practice law, is to understand the future and to try to, foretell what's going to happen so you can forestall problems for yourself and your clients down the road. Sometimes things happen, sometimes they don't. I remember getting burned when I started speculating that they were going to end the income affidavit associated with retirement visas, the affidavit issued by the American and the British embassies here in Thailand, because I was hearing rumblings of that. Lo and behold, they did it. But in the interim, everybody called me a kook and said I was Chicken Little and I was fear-mongering and just trying to cause fear and this, that, and the other thing. And I wasn't. That's not my purpose. There's sometimes it just causes my ears to twinge, and I say, oh, that sounds like something that, could be in the offing. It would not have surprised me if there was a special document being created that pertained to foreigners owning a vehicle in Thailand. It just kind of sounds like something the bureaucracy would do. And so I said, okay, let's kind of explore into that. Turns out, again, no, not the case. Foreigners buy a vehicle here in Thailand in much the same way that a Thai would. Now, there's going to be a difference with regard to buying like a long-haul truck. If you're trying to be like a truck driver in Thailand, get a special license for that, that's going to be a different thing. But just, a consumer vehicle, a personal vehicle, no. As of the present time, to the best of my knowledge, there are no special documents associated with foreigners who are looking to purchase such vehicles.